In this video, I want to go over moving zeros to the end problem on Codewars. And what it wants you to do is write an algorithm that takes an array and moves all the zeros to the end, preserving the order of the other elements. So if we zoom in and check out the example, the list is 1 0 1 2 0 1 3, and what it wants us to do is take these zeros and append them to the end. So it will return 1 1 2 1 3, preserving the order of the non-zero elements, and then appending the two zeros to the end. Now we can do this in actually a pretty simple way. The way I did it is, I iterated throughout our list of integers array, and what I did is, if it was a 0, I incremented a variable called count by 1, and I went to the next iteration of the for loop. However, if it was a non-zero integer, meaning 1 through 9, I appended it to the end of, or to a new list, which preserved the order. After we had iterated throughout the entire list, I just appended the number of zeros that our count variable had. So we're going to create a new list called new L, and this is going to be the new list that we return at the end. I'm going to create a count variable, and this is going to count how many zeros we have in our list. And then we need to iterate throughout our array. So for I in array, what we're going to do is we need to check to see if I is actually a 0. So if I is equal to 0, what we do is we need to increment the count by 1. So count plus equals 1, and then we're going to continue. What continue does is, once you hit continue, it just goes back to the for loop to the next iteration. It doesn't do anything below continue. However, if I is not equal to 0, we just need to append it to our new list. So new L dot append I. And what this is essentially going to do is it creates a new list and removes all the zeros. It's basically, the new L is our array list, but without the zeros. Now that we've done that, we need to do another for loop. So for I in range, and we're going to do it for count iterations. And what we're going to do is append, so new L dot append 0. So for count iterations, we're going to append 0 count times. And then at the end of all this, we just return our new list, new L. So let's attempt this. So we'll test it first, see how it turns out. 5 passed, and then we'll attempt it, and all 171 test cases passed. So that is the moving zeros to the end problem on Codewars. I hope that you found this video valuable and you learned something. If you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.